Sports on Air.
Well, 3-0, all you can think about is just trying to get over one game and try not to be swept. So, yun lang naman ang pwede mo isipin at this point. Nasasayahan lang kami dito sa opportunity. This could have been our best chance to win against San Miguel. We would have been back in the race. Pero yun na, it's a crucial game. You go down 0-3, it's almost impossible to get back. But if we had 1 and 2, medyo ano pa yun, medyo maganda pa odds nun. So we're in a deeper hole, but sabi ko nga, we're in a long game. We want games like this, you know, be able to play the best teams, find ways solving yung mga strengths ng mga ibang teams, trying to improve on our weaknesses. So on that end, we're achieving it. Tingin ko, we're getting to be a better team every game. Of course, natatalo, pero pagpasok namin dito, sinasabi ko naman na all we can do really is to make it hard for San Miguel to get to the finals. Learn in the process, and at the same time find out your own areas where we can improve. The experience is also very important. May experience sila yung ganito, may experience sila yung atmosphere ng semis, yung maraming nanonood, elimination round, tapos konti lang nanonood. There's more pressure, there's more adjustments, no? So ando naman lahat yun. Of course, you're disappointed, you lost, but at the same time, you know the upside of the team is high, and for sure we will be a better team after this, wherever we get to. Manalo kami isa pa, matalo kami, masweep kami, we'll be a better team next conference.
Habang umiinit ang mga laban sa inyong mga paboritong liga, mag-register sa 1xBet. Pwede nyo gamitin ang inyong browser o cellphone, mapa Android man o iOS. Gamitin nyo lang ang inyong mobile number o email at huwag nyo kalimutan ilagay ang promo code na SPONAIR. Kapag ginawa nyo yan, pwede kayo magkaroon ng bonus up to 7,000 pesos. Pwede nyo rin gamitin ang GCash or PayMaya account nyo para makadeposit or cash out. Simple lang, di ba? Kaya mag-register na sa 1xBet. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified with our latest videos.